We all have heard this famous quote which says, "Our external world is mere reflection of our internal world." Today, I'm going to share with you a superpower which will allow you to change your internal world. So, stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shraddha and today I'm going to talk about the second video in the series What If. This video is about the superpower of gratitude, how it has the ability to change our lives. So let's begin. Gratitude is derived from the Latin word gratia. Gratia means gratefulness or thankfulness. Gratitude means the state of being grateful or thankful. Now, I would really want to highlight this point here is that the state of being gratitude or thankful is the key. We all in our lives have been taught at various occasions by various people that we got to say thank you, we got to give thanks. But the key to bring gratitude into your life and to make it work for you as a superpower, you need to feel gratitude, which is what it states, that it is a state of being. Now let me give you a small example to help you understand this phrase or what do you mean by the state of being. Say it's a very common example which we all have experienced in our life. So we all would have played the game Ludo at any point of time in our life. You and your friend are a little ahead in the game, and to win you need to roll a die. Now it's your turn and you're going to roll the die. The feeling that you go through when you're about to roll the die is excited, anxious, nervous, any of these kind of feeling, right? And once you roll the die and the die is out, what do you see? The moment, it shows the number that you want and it shows that you're the winner, your reaction, your internal being, how do you feel at that point of time? It's like, yes, I'm the winner. It's just mere 5 to 10 second kind of a feeling, but it's a very happy feeling. The reaction that I normally have is like, yes, and this 10 seconds is the state of being. After the 10 seconds or maybe after the 5 seconds, I'm again back in the game where I'm looking that who's the next person who's going to win. Now this 10 second is what is missing in most of us while we are doing the gratitude. We're just superficially saying thank you. We're not feeling the feeling of being grateful. We're not feeling the feeling of being thankful. This 10 seconds of happiness that you witness when you won the Ludo game is what you got to feel when you say thank you. You got to feel it, internalize it. You got to be happy. So for me, when I eat food, I really am grateful. I feel the joy of eating food. It's a 10-second thing, but I really feel it. And that, if we start doing in every bit of things that we do or every bit of actions that we take through a conscious awareness, it has a power to change our lives. Now let's understand a little more deeper on a scientific level that what happens in our brain when we are saying gratitude or when we are giving thank you with this feeling. So our brain, is a masterpiece and it has unique ways of communicating with different parts of our bodies, alright? And each part of the body, when communicates, brain secretes some amount of chemicals or some kind of hormones, right? So while you're very happy, the brain releases two kind of happy hormones. Similarly, when you're anxious or you are in a life-threatening situation or a perceived situation to be life-threatening, brain releases different kind of hormones. Okay, and that is what helps you, okay, in doing your things. Okay, so similarly, when you are in a happy state, the two hormones that your brain secretes, the first one is called serotonin and the second one is called dopamine. Serotonin and dopamine, they are the ones responsible for you to feel your mood being uplifted, you feel happy, okay, you feel hopeful. All right, it brings all this positive emotions inside you when these two chemicals are released by your brain. And when you do the activity of gratitude, when you give gratitude with the feeling, okay, your brain releases these two good hormones, this happy hormones. And what internally happens is your brain gets lit up. It's filled with positive thoughts, positive feelings, which means that your cells are also feeling happy. You are vibrating happiness. And we all know the law of attraction. What you vibrate on is what you attract in your life. Now this superpower can help you change your entire life by a detailed practice. It won't require much of your time. The practices can be as short as 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But if you include these practices into your daily life, it has a very powerful impact. It has the power to alter you and your being to the next level. I'm going to talk more about what are the different tools or what are the different practices of gratitude in my next video. If you like this video and if you found value in this video, then please like and share this video. Also let me know in the comments below of if you want me to make more of such videos. I have something to offer you as a bonus in this video. I am mentioning in the description box below my Telegram channel where I keep on updating facts, tips, quotes on gratitude and how you can include that in your life. So all those people who are seriously wanting to include this practice into your daily life, follow my channel on Telegram. Till the next time I come up with my new video, take care and thank you for watching my video.